Lily. Here are the movie posters. We have so many choices at the cinema today, honey. Wow, they are so big and colorful, Mommy. Yes, baby. Let's look at this one first. This is an action movie. Do you like it? What is an action movie, Mommy? It is an exciting movie with superheroes and very fast cars. Zoom, zoom, like your car, Mommy? Much faster than my car, darling. Okay, do we have other movies? And look over here, Lily. This one is a science fiction movie about cool robots and outer space. Do the robots talk? Oh no, I don't like scary robots, Mommy. Don't worry, sweetie. How about this one? This is a comedy, a very funny movie that makes people laugh. Like Daddy when he tells jokes? Exactly like that. Do you like it? Shall we watch a comedy? Mommy, look at that blue dragon. He's so cute. What is that? Oh, that is an animated movie. Let me read the poster. It is a cartoon about a little dragon looking for his home. Oh, I want to see the dragon. Please, Mommy, can we see the dragon? Okay, honey, let's choose the dragon movie. I want to have a fun day too. Oh, wait, that's strange. What is it, Mommy? The poster says, the most emotional cartoon of the year. What does emotional mean? It means the movie has many feelings, baby. The dragon looks so happy on the poster. Why is it emotional? What can a dragon do to make us feel emotional? Maybe he gives big hugs? Maybe you are right. Let's go and find out. Yay, let's go, let's go! Here we are at the snack bar, Lily. Everything smells so delicious, doesn't it? We need some snacks for our movie. Yes, popcorn, popcorn. I want popcorn, Mommy. First, we need to choose the popcorn flavor. Do you want sweet popcorn or salty popcorn, honey? I want the sweet one. Can we have the caramel flavor? Good choice. Caramel is my favorite too. Hi, miss. We would like to order. Hello, beautiful cinema lady. Welcome. Aw, you are so cute, little girl. How can I help you today? We will take 1 bucket of caramel popcorn, please, cinema lady. Okay, little girl. Do you want any drinks? Oh, Mommy, do we need drinks? I think we should get a large soda to share. Okay, 1 big soda, please. Your daughter is very cute, ma'am. All right, 1 large caramel popcorn and a big soda. Wait, I have some exciting news for you. Oh, what is that? You are our 50th customers today. Here is a special gift for the little girl. It is a limited edition blue dragon cup. Oh my, a dragon cup. Thank you so much. Mommy, look, the dragon is so cute and blue. Wow, Lily, you are so lucky today. That is a very beautiful cup, baby. It is beautiful. Thank you, Miss Cinema Lady. Now let me pay for our snacks. I will use my credit card for the payment. Mommy's credit card can buy anything. Thank you, ma'am. Here is your receipt. I will take the soda and popcorn for you. I want to carry the popcorn. Please, Mommy. I'm a big girl now. Okay, but be very careful. This popcorn bucket is bigger than your head. I can do it. I can do it. Oh my, look at you. You are walking like a little penguin, Lily. Oops, the bucket is so heavy. Oh no, some popcorn fell on the floor. It's okay, honey. Just walk slowly. Let's find our movie room now. Yay! Popcorn and dragons! Let's go! Follow me, Lily. It is a bit dark in here, so please hold my hand. It is very dark, Mommy. Are we lost? No, honey. We just need to find our seats. Look at your ticket. Can you see the letter and the number? We are looking for row G, seat 12 and 13. I see a big G on the floor. Is it here? Yes, good job, baby. This is our row. Now remember the rules. We must be quiet inside the theater. Okay, Mommy. Shh. I am turning my phone to silent mode now. Can you whisper like a little mouse? Like this? I am a quiet mouse. Squeak, squeak. Haha, perfect. Now let's sit down. Oh no! Help! The chair is eating me. Haha, don't be scared, Lily. You are just too small for this big chair. Wait here, I will get a booster seat for you. I will wait for you, Mommy. Sit on this cushion, honey. Now, can you see the screen? Wow, I can see everything now. The screen is so giant. Yes, that is the big screen. The movie will start very soon. Put your popcorn bucket in this cup holder on your seat. Like this, Mommy? Exactly. Keep your hands clean and enjoy your snacks. And we are so ready to watch our dragon movie. Thank you, Mommy. I am so excited to see the dragon. Oh, why? I can't believe it. I'm crying. I didn't know a cartoon could be this emotional. Mommy, are you crying? Can we talk now? Only if we whisper, honey. We must be very quiet for other people. Okay, I will whisper like this. All right, baby. Do you have a question? Mommy, where is the dragon's house? He is in a big forest now, baby. He is far away from his home. Why is the dragon so sad? Does he miss his mom? Yes, darling. He is lost, and he misses his family very much. Oh no, being lost is very scary. I want my mom and dad. Yes, Lily. Family is the most important thing in the world. That's why he is crying. He also wants his mom and dad. I feel sad, Mommy. Will the dragon find his way home? Yes, I believe he will. But how, Mommy? Well, I don't know the ending because I haven't seen this movie before. Then how do you know? But good children who try their best will always find their way home. I will be a good girl and try my best too. I know you will, my brave little girl. Now let's watch and see what happens next. Look, he is following the magic star. Oh, he found her. Look, Lily, the dragon found his mommy. Yay, they are hugging now. I am so happy, Mommy. Me too, baby. Me too. Phew, what a great movie. Did you enjoy the movie, Lily?
Oh yes, Mommy. It was the best day ever. I love the blue dragon so much.
I am so glad to hear that, honey. You were such a good girl inside the theater.
I was?
You stayed very quiet and sat still the whole time. I am very proud of you.
Thank you, Mommy. Going to the movies is so fun.
It really is. Now, let's see if you remember our cinema journey today. What have we been doing?
First, we chose the movie with the colorful posters.
Correct. Step 1 is choosing the film. What was step 2?
Step 2 is we bought the giant caramel popcorn and my dragon cup.
Exactly. And step 3?
We had to find our seats, row G, numbers 12 and 13.
Perfect. And what was the last rule during the movie?
Be quiet like a little mouse. Squeak, squeak.
You have a great memory, baby. No noise, no phones, keep it clean, and be brave in the dark. And we have mastered how to go to the movies.
I remember, Mommy. I will be a polite little audience next time, too.
That's my girl. Stand right there and hug your dragon cup. I want to take a photo of you.
Okay, I want to show this to Daddy.
Daddy will love it. Let's go home and tell him all about the dragon.
Yay! Best movie day with Mommy.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun quiz for you. Please comment below and tell us what type of movie did they watch. Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.